Sloppy at Purdue University Airport. Information, Yankee 1154 Zulu, wind 31010, visibility 10, sky condition clear below 2000, temperature 2, dew point -3, altimeter 3002.
Lafayette ground, this is Cessna 63366 at Purdue Aviation, ready to taxi with information Yankee.
Cessna 63366, Lafayette ground, runway 28, taxi via Echo Alpha, hold short, runway 23.
Echo Alpha, hold short to 23, 63366.
Very good.
Ready?
Alright, let's...
Cessna 366, turn right on Alpha, cross runway 23 on Alpha.
Cross 23 on Alpha, 63366.
Very good. A lot of people will think that Alpha is actually down there. It's actually a runway.
Cessna 366, there's going to be a small vehicle operating in the area of runway 23 and Alpha.
Alright, we'll keep up in sight. Lafayette Tower, this is Cessna 63366, holding short of 28 to remain in the pattern.
So 63366 Lafayette Tower, hold short of runway 28, traffic landing runway 10.
Hold short of 28, 63366. Got that backwards, didn't he?
He must have been
So
practicing.
366, make a left close traffic for runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 63366.
Left close traffic.
Left coast traffic, clear for takeoff 28366, left traffic.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Airspeed is alive. One of my vents is open and I'm not happy about it. We are climbing.
Alright. Looking good. Then, when we were trying to float, when you
So
would...
366, wind 3, and bounce it back and forth between 310 and 320. If you'd like to try runway 5, that's also available, just let me know.
Roger, we'll come back one more time with 28, see what it's like, 3366.
Okay, thanks.
So friendly.
Yeah, he's a nice guy, I like him. Oh, but you got it, that's good.
I'd say the runway's made.
Yep.
That's power all the way out.
Okay. And now we're just gonna walk it down. We're walking. Now if you glance at that windsock, see how it's coming from the right?
Yep.
So we're gonna put that nose out here. Now looking at the end of the runway, last second we're gonna put a little bit of left rudder, just enough to line it up, dip down the right wing. There you go. And
Okay.
then the nose drops and then we keep that yoke back just like that, flaps up, power in. Very nice. Okay.
Purdue 15 traffic at your 3 o'clock right now. 2,900, still talking to Griswold approach as a King Air.
Remember when we're taking off, and if we have a crosswind like that,
go great right now.
You want the aileron a little bit to the right.
yeah, so we want that deflection. That was really good.
Okay.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Purdue 15, please. Cessna 366, are you able short approach King Air traffic on a 10-mile final runway 28?
Yeah, no problem. We can do that for you. Short approach on 28.
So 366, make short approach runway 28, clear for the option.
Short approach 28, clear for the option. 3366. Okay. Fun. So what I want you to do, as soon as you redeem the numbers, I want you to pull power all the way out. We're going to land this plane with a sloppy pattern. This is called a short approach. So we're going to pretend that we had an engine failure.
Okay.
Okay. Looking at the end of the runway.
Wind check.
We're going to have that right crosswind.
320 at 14.
A little bit of left rudder. We're lined up. We're going to dip that right wing. Dip the right wing. There you go. Go back, power in, go for it. And still keep that right deflection.
Purdue 15 is over inbound.
Please go team for El Rey, say next.
Perfect. Okay, so we're looking good now, so let's make sure it's all the way out.
Yep, it is.
Okay. Now, left rudder, right wing.
Not too bad.
Not too shabby. There you go.
Lafayette ground, this is Cessna 63366 at Bravo, ready to taxi back to Purdue Aviation.
Cessna 63366, Lafayette ground, taxi to the ramp via Charlie.
Taxi to the ramp via Charlie, 63366.
Very nice. Alright. It's coming together, Paul. Definitely your best day on the radio for sure.